kind of a just because you did acknowledge some small part of the craft where the person they do them right. No? They go generalize and say, oh, that be your favorite artist, your favorite. Oh, but it's not my favorite. Or but this brand I like. But he said when he do y'all with the brand, I didn't lose guard. Adakatia, who talk? You know me. You know shave am. Standard razor. Hey. You dey play with me. She say if you go assassin, obedi go listen. She say if you go assassin, obedi go listen. Adakatia, if like if you go assassin, it is obedi go listen. We dey here. Big bitch from prison camp. He do Adakatia. You know see the way America give him. Big bitch. Gangster German cocaine mafia. Or by now I chin straps. That be how they call him. That be the brofu name for that Adakatia. Chin strap. They press and make it shave him. America. But Corona is free to know. I said, mean, when I'm a guy man who said, I don't know. Nobody talk anything. Nobody say anything. They be I mean, I'm Becca so that and they look bad, like it be me some way. But it be necessary to have for talk. But because the majority of my mind no open, you know, they see you like, hey, you they be Becca, would they be some way, would they be yawa mouth. But yawa. Adakatia, like I don't for be the first person to talk. People for the firebone that's Adakatia a long time before me. But they wait to make me I can't start bond Adakatia. You understand? And then me will go look bad. But the artist clean that Adakatia. Since if you know realize say yeah for real, what are the talk that make sense? Like he go shave him. This be somebody in brand from when he blow. You have him.